Alright guys, welcome back. This is camp configuration 2. We moved over to a different area. So got Travis set over there. His is the red hammock. And mine's the one under the military poncho there. My mosquito netting is all ripped out, so I gotta keep that on me, otherwise they're gonna bleed me. Suck me dry. So Travis is down there at the water. And as always, the filter's going. Filtering water. We go through a lot of water. So there's the bush chair. Modified for a little ass pad, and might as well utilize the life jackets when we're not using them. Alright, we're going to be getting on the water here soon, so get some footage there, hopefully catch some pike. Alright, out here trolling in the canoe. Try and see if we can rustle up some pike. Only one small hit so far. But we got all the time in the world. Alright, still no fish yet. We're just chucking along. Really doesn't even matter if we catch any fish. Okay. It's all in being here. Of course, catching fish is nice too. What you think, buddy?
I don't care either way.
What about you, dude? What do you think? Scout, what are you thinking? Apparently nobody cares. Alright guys, welcome back. Day 3. It's a wet one today. Breaking up camp and then heading out. But yep, it's a wet, cold one today. Temperature was on my gauge between 40, 43, somewhere there. So yeah, it's cold. So we're gonna break up, head out. We'll warm up as we go.